We begin with the defense resting its case in the Karmelo Anthony murder trial. Closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow after testimony ends this afternoon without the defendant, who claims he stabbed Austin Metcalf in self-defense, taking the stand. J.D. Miles is live outside the Collin County Courthouse with more on the trial. J.D.
Karen, the defense presented only 3 witnesses today before resting. There was a lengthy break stretching from late morning to mid-afternoon when we thought that they might be prepping Karmelo Anthony to testify. But in the end, he and his attorneys chose not to have him speak directly to the jury, which will begin deliberating his fate tomorrow. 4 days of testimony in the Karmelo Anthony murder trial ended with 2 high school track athletes testifying about what they saw on the day Austin Metcalf was stabbed to death in a Frisco stadium. They both backed up defense claims that Anthony's decision to enter the Memorial High School tent was normal. How is the culture around a track meet different than a football game? They're really social, so everybody would know each other, see each other, say hi, really social. Is that only on the field, only in the bleachers? How would you describe it? It's all over the place. One of them told police they saw a punch, which contradicts more than a dozen prosecution witnesses. Did anything happen that you took particular notice of in the stands? Everybody was standing up, and I saw somebody get pushed or get punched. I don't know which. But under cross-examination, prosecutors showed video that captured the witness on the field stretching and not even looking in the stands until after the stabbing. A lot of what you said, you're kind of guessing. Yes, sir. Do you remember seeing the video I showed you? Yes, sir. It showed that you didn't see what you thought you saw. Yes, sir. The other witness also tried to bolster Anthony's defense. Do you remember telling the detective my teammate might be in trouble and maybe I need to go help him? Yes, sir. I thought there could be something wrong. I wanted my teammates to see it too. But under cross-examination, the prosecutors got that witness to also admit that what he saw on video was not what he saw in person. It's anybody's guess how the jury will react to these witnesses or the state's case. The jury is not allowed to consider, or it's not allowed to hold it against Karmelo Anthony that he chose not to take the stand. With closing arguments scheduled for 9 a.m., it's very likely the jury will get this case around noon. And also at this point, we don't know if the jury will get to consider any other charges other than murder, which carries a 5 to 99-year sentence. Live in McKinney, J.D. Miles, CBS News, Texas.